Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. Today I'm sharing a recipe for a deliciously light and fluffy apple cake known as Sharlotka. This cake is one of the easiest desserts you can bake, even if you have no previous baking experience, and it requires only a few simple ingredients. There's something magical about the smell of apples baking in the oven. It instantly makes your home feel warm and cozy. If you love simple, no-fuss baking that delivers amazing results, this recipe is for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps support the channel and allows me to share more delicious recipes with you. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. Now let's get started. For this Sharlotka apple cake, you'll need sour apples like Granny Smith. Peel, core, quarter, and thinly slice 4 apples. If you're preparing the apples in advance, toss the slices with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to prevent browning. If you're baking right away, you can skip this step. Grease a 10-inch springform pan with vegetable oil and spread the apples evenly across the bottom. Now let's prepare the batter. Crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt. This helps create a stable, thick foam. Using a mixer on high speed, gradually add 1 cup of sugar in batches. Beat until the mixture becomes thick, pale, and forms a ribbon when the beaters are lifted. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Proper whipping is key to achieving that light and fluffy texture. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour and gently fold it into the egg mixture in batches. Mix carefully to avoid lumps and to keep as much air in the batter as possible. The final texture should resemble pancake batter, smooth and slightly pourable. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and gently mix. Pour the batter evenly over the apples in the prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 40 minutes or until the top is golden and crisp and a wooden toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Then, carefully unmold and transfer to a serving plate. Optionally, dust with ground cinnamon or powdered sugar. This cake works perfectly as a dessert, brunch treat, or sweet afternoon snack. Enjoy! And that's it, a beautiful, light and fluffy Sharlotka apple cake made with just a few simple ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments if you prefer your Sharlotka with cinnamon, powdered sugar, or just as it is. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Show at Home. I truly appreciate every single one of you. See you in the next video, and happy baking!